citations?
9 arrests up altogether.
How many citations were issued last night that you saw?
Citations.
You,
1,
Colette.
2, 3, Coral, 4.
Coral got cited?
Yeah, I don't remember Colette, but they were looking for her, so she probably did.
In the blanket.
Because she happened to be at the bathroom when they came. I mean,
Yeah.
at the body. But they found her. And after they were done with the people on the porch, half of whom left when they first came around flyering about the lodging letter. Then they went to the people who had relocated down here, sitting up, wide awake, and they started telling them they had to disappear. And mostly it was the same deputies that I'd seen the last time. I don't know if they're the same ones that were working on Sunday to get so many people. I'm worried about Chris because, you know, he thinks he has pneumonia, and I know he has something way worse than bronchitis, so he probably is right. But
Are you still taping?
I'm taping again. Hi.